everyone. My name is Neha Warghane. I am a student of third year pursuing computer engineering from Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering for Women. Today, in this video, I'll be sharing with you all my DSBDA mini project that is WhatsApp Chat Analyzer using Streamlit. In this project, I have used Python, Streamlit, and other data analytics techniques in so that it can analyze a WhatsApp chat conversation in a snap. I'll be explaining all my project in this video. So as you can see, this is the interface of my project where there's a title WhatsApp Chat Analyzer. Here is a file uploader box from where we need to upload a WhatsApp chat file. Here there is also a select box where you can choose the language of our choice as the chat can be in any other language. So this project gives an analysis of everything related to WhatsApp chat, that is number of senders, the chat count by a sender. So it gives all analysis of the chat. It gives person by person analysis of the number of chats sent by a person. It also gives analysis of the number of domains shared by each person in the group. The emojis used by person, favorite emoji of a member, used words, favorite words by the member, and chat activity heat map, where we have denoted the symbols for the chats and also the days. So it gives an analysis where on a particular day where there are no chats, where there are fewer chats, and also there are days where there are more chats. It gives an analysis of the number of chats on daily basis also. So this is all about the interface of my project. The main dataset used in this project is the WhatsApp text files. As the project is about WhatsApp chat analysis, there is no need of specific other dataset. So the dataset needed in this project is WhatsApp chat text file, which will be browsing here in the uploading box, and the analysis will be given further. Now let's dive into the code. Here we have imported Streamlit library for the framework of our project. Also we have imported IO, that is we have imported the input output modules which provide facilities for working with streams of data. Also from collection we have imported counter module which is used for counting occurrences of element in the list. Then we have imported emojis which provide utilities for working with emojis. Then we have imported the chat line which will help us to pass through the chat of our WhatsApp chats. Then from the font color we have imported colors for the our interface. Then we have created a stop word list where we will be storing all our stop words. Stop words are basically words that are often filtered out from the text during the natural language processing task because they don't typically contribute in much in the meaning. Now the next function is define print bar. So here we wrote this function for printing the bar plot which are used in the interface of our project. The next function is print bar chart. Here we are passing two parameters, that is data and fill. The fill is used when the data is there. We will fill the bar plot with this solid block. In this function we will check the length of the data. If the length of the data is 0, then it will write empty data. Then the next we'll calculate the length of the data. We are sorting the data based on the tuple 0. Then the next function is define print calendar. So in this function we are actually calculating days and time. This section defines a list days and hours which represent the days of the week and the hours of a day. Day contains full names of the week and hours contain hours of the day represented as string with a leading 0 for single digit hours. Then we'll be calculating the maximum values here. This line calculates the maximum value from the value in the data dictionary. Now here we have a for loop. This nested loop iterates over each combination of days and hours. For each combination, it checks if the combination exists as a key in the data of the dictionary. Now here we need to assign the tick colors. Depending on the values associated with the current in the data dictionary, the appropriate color is assigned. The color is determined based on the threshold ticks set earlier in the code. So here we have defined the color of the ticks. After determining the appropriate color of the tick, it writes the tick on the Streamlit apps using this function. Now the main purpose of this code is we need to analyze. This function takes file content as an input and analyze the chat data. It initializes a dictionary to store various count related to the chat, such as number of chats, deleted chats, events, sender, timestamp, words, domain, emojis, and favorite word. Previous line equals to none. This line initializes the variable previous line with the value none. Then the for loop start for line in line. For each line, an instance of chat line is created, passing the current value and the previous value, and also the debugging flag. Then the counter, we start with the counter. If the line attribute of the each chat line instance is chat, it increment into the chat counter. Also same with the event. If the line attribute of the chat line instance is chat or event, it increment into the event counter. Then same with the deleted chat. If the line attribute of the chat line instance is deleted chat, then it increment into the deleted chat counter. Now here we have defined a reduce sort method. This line defines the reduce sort and takes one parameter as data. This function aims to reduce the input data by counting occurrences of each element and then sorting them. Putting all this code together, the function takes a list of data as input, then counts the occurrence of each element and convert it into the dictionary. Then sort the dictionary based on the count of the occurrences in descending order, and finally returns the sorted list as tuples. Now we have defined that reduce and filter words list, and we have passed the parameter list of word. What we do is in function is that the words which are meaningless and which are not in stop words, we add that words into the list of the words. Also there are some single words like like any other word by mistake which we write in our chat, which are meaningless and does not add any special meaning to the sentence. We store it, and which are not in the stop word, we store it into the list of words. Then we also reduce the fav item, like it is favorite item. Then using the reduce and sort method, we have sorted each and every data which is needed for the interface, like sender, words, domain, emojis, timestamp, favorite emoji and favorite word. Then we have given a title which will be displayed in our interface WhatsApp chat analyzer. Then for the file uploading, we have also have a file uploader which says upload WhatsApp file, which will be displayed on the our project interface. Then we have given language selector for stop words. So we have given the stop words in the various languages so that we can sort the data in various languages, and we can we can analyze the data in the various languages. So we have given as it an option box. So after analyzation, we'll need to display certain things on our interface, like the chat count by the sender, mention domain, used emojis, used words, favorite emojis by member, favorite word by the member, and also at last we will be displaying the heat map for the chat activities on a particular day.